How to fix the sign-in method you are trying to use is not allowed on Windows 11 and Windows 10. If you are also facing such type of issue, the first workaround is press Win plus R shortcut key to launch Run command box, and in Run command box type gpedit.msc to open local group policy editor. gpedit.msc, press OK, and in local group policy editor from the left side, update your security policy, expand Windows settings and security settings, local policy, security options, select local policy, thereafter go to select user right assignment and apply a double click on allow log on locally, and in next window add user or group, add an user, enter the object names to select any name and click OK. Again on the same page, scroll down and deny log on locally, apply a double click on it to open its properties and make sure that no any username is in deny list. If any found, simply select it and remove it, and check whether or not. If not, go to the next fixes, go to Windows search, type cmd and open command prompt Windows as administrator mode, and in command prompt Windows execute command gp update /force and press enter. gp update /force and update security policy. This is the second workaround, and try it has completed successfully, and check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes, and the next fixes is right click on a start button and go to Windows. From the left side, go to Windows Update and check for updates. If any updates available, simply download and install it. Outdated OS may be a cause of this error, so your Windows OS should be updated. Thereafter, go to Privacy and Security, Windows Security, and Virus and Threat Protection. Click on Scan options and choose Full Scan. And finally choose Scan Now. Scan your system for any malware or virus attack, and after that